Memento Amoris, an alternative Valentine's Day show at the Lido Stores in Margate, just opposite that big famous Lido sign. So we're going to start with one of my pieces, which is New Orleans to Margate. This was a piece that I actually wrote when I was in New Orleans and painted in Margate. I really do hope you come and see this, including other artists like Cassie Walsh here, who I really just love this piece. And then we're going on to Gabriella Max as well with another piece. And then this piece by Olivia Chu and the following piece by Ming Angel. I also was really captivated by the way this piece opened up and was just displayed on your atypical canvas the same way as this piece. And both of those pieces are by Paige Perkins and Ray Birch Carter. Moving on to this fearsome cat and also this oyster, both by Rufus Filmer and Alyssa Hudson. There's so many incredible artists at this show, and apologies for not mentioning everybody because I was really honoured to be in the show with so many great pieces of work and great artists. As you can see, I'm just giving a bit of a view around of a lot of work that's going on here. I'm going back to this Cassie Walsh piece because I just really love the colours and the way this is actually done on the actual wood. There is so much work to be able to actually, as I just said, look at. It's from the 7th, it ran up until the 14th, as you can see there, of March. This is Anderson Astacles, another artist that I do think you should keep your eyes out for. Dad and Mum from Memory, really beautiful piece there. But as I said, there's so many artists for me to actually share. I really do feel like this one by Jane Dickens, and there is many, many more pieces that I just couldn't capture in 2 rooms. Do come and see the show. I really highly recommend it. This is the one for this weekend.